Starting off with the display, the TOZO S2 is a 169-inch large HD color touchscreen with a resolution of 240x280 pixels. The screen is also full touch and hand sliding, which makes for smooth and easy operation. The color saturation and reproduction of the screen is fantastic and really adds to the overall experience. Initially, the watch comes with multiple customized watch faces, which allows you to personalize your smartwatch and make it your own. Moving on to the fitness tracker, the TOZO S2 includes a heart rate monitor that accurately measures your heart rate in real time. It also provides a detailed analysis of your sleep quality by continuously recording your sleep patterns. During exercise, the smartwatch automatically records daily steps, distance counter, calories burned, active minutes, and also measures your blood oxygen saturation, which helps you understand your physical state. When it comes to connectivity, the TOZO S2 smartwatch can be connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Once connected, you can control the music player, view the local weather, and support mobile search functions. It's compatible with most iOS, Android, or Bluetooth smartphones. Simply download and install the TOZO Fit app for free from the App Store or Google Play and connect your smartwatch to your phone to start your journey of smart life. Lastly, the TOZO S2 has a long-lasting battery life thanks to its 300 mAh battery capacity and low power consumption design. When in auto monitoring mode for heart rate, it can last about 10 days and 7 days when in instant detection mode. It's also designed with a 5 Atm Waterproof Rating, which means you don't have to worry about it when you wear it while swimming or sweating out. Now let's talk about the price. The TOZO S2 44mm smartwatch retails for $39.99, but is currently on sale for $33.98, which is a steal considering all the features it offers. Overall, I'm really impressed with the TOZO S2 44mm smartwatch. It's a great option for anyone looking for a smartwatch that has a fitness tracker, a heart rate and blood oxygen monitor, and is also Alexa built in. Plus, its long-lasting battery life and 5 ATM waterproof rating make it a practical choice for everyday use. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch, I highly recommend giving the TOZO S2 a try. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.